Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the iLovePDF failed error in 2026. Now this error usually occurs because the internet connection is unstable, the file is corrupted, or the file is too large, or simply the browser blocks the uploads. Now you can also download the iLovePDF app, mobile app via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you can also get the Microsoft app for desktop version. As you can see here, you're gonna head to the Microsoft App Store and then you're gonna download it for your PC. You can download it for your computer and use the desktop version. It's quite useful and practical. Now let's go back to our topic. The first thing you wanna do is to refresh the page, then try to upload in the file again. You're gonna also verify just like this. You can upload the file by selecting the tool right here. For example, splashing PDF, and then you're gonna select the PDF here and you're gonna go through your file browser to select the PDF. Now another huge step is clearing the browser's cache and disabling browser extensions. You can do that by clicking on the three dots right here, and then you can click on the delete browsing data. Just like this. You should also pause the large downloads running in the background. And also, if the upload continues failing, you should also work with the stable internet connection. Because slow internet connection can prevent most updates or upload related issues. Just by opening your Wi-Fi here, you're gonna switch to a more stable internet connection and try uploading that file again. And finally, a stable internet connection can prevent most of it. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the iLovePDF upload failed. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and comment below the video what upload error you're getting. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.